Imagine you have a business, and you're missing out on a huge chunk of potential customers. What if there was a way to make your business accessible to millions of people without spending a dime on advertising? Today, we're going to talk about how you can do just that by becoming a Favepay merchant. Favepay is a revolutionary mobile payment platform that's making it easier than ever for people to pay for goods and services. It's like having a digital wallet that's always with you. Why become a Favepay merchant? There are countless reasons why becoming a Favepay merchant is a smart move. Here are just a few. Increased customer base. Favepay has a massive user base, so by accepting payments through the platform, you're automatically exposing your business to a wider audience. Faster transactions. Favepay transactions are incredibly fast and secure, which means your customers can check out in a flash. No transaction fees. That's right, there are no transaction fees associated with Favepay. You keep more of your earnings. Enhanced customer experience. Favepay offers a seamless and convenient payment experience for your customers, which can lead to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. How to become a Favepay merchant. The process of becoming a Favepay merchant is simple and straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Sign up. Visit the Favepay website and create a merchant account. 2. Verify your business. Provide the necessary documentation to verify your business, such as proof of address and business registration. 3. Set up your Favepay account. Customize your merchant profile and set up your payment preferences. 4. Start accepting payments. Once your account is approved, you can start accepting payments through Favepay. Tips for success as a Favepay merchant. Here are a few tips to help you maximize your success as a Favepay merchant. Promote Favepay. Let your customers know that you accept Favepay payments. Use signage, social media, and other marketing channels to spread the word. Offer incentives. Consider offering discounts or promotions to customers who pay with Favepay. Provide excellent customer service. Ensure that your staff is trained on how to handle Favepay transactions and provide excellent customer service. Becoming a Favepay merchant is a great way to grow your business and reach a wider audience. With no transaction fees and a user-friendly platform, it's a win-win for both you and your customers. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for Favepay today and start reaping the benefits. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.